Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Deepti Vlogs. Hope you're all doing fine. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing an unboxing of a blender. If you have checked out my previous video on what is to be taken, for a bachelor or basic cooking needs of a bachelor, do check it out. So in that I have mentioned that a basic blender is very important. So today I have done an unboxing of that. I have basically got a Nutri blender by Wonder Chef, and it is endorsed by the great Sanjeev Kapoor. And yeah, and using that my son has made rajma masala. So do check it out, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such fun and interesting content. By the way, this is Rahul, he is my son.
So friends, we have started packing all his things one by one. So first we are just keeping everything in one place so that we'll have a clear picture as to what to be packed. And we are ordering a lot of things from Amazon also. There's going to be a part two of what are the basic needs for a bachelor. So stay tuned for that. And before starting the video, I just wanted to, quickly share about this Wonder Chef Nutri Blend. Actually, it's very good. And in this video, you can see that we have made Rajma masala using this. And I just wanted my son to get familiar with how to go about using this. And he finds it very useful, very easy to clean. So, and easy to use. I mean, it's very easy for a beginner or a bachelor to use. That's what is very important. And it comes with a 2-year warranty, and it's got a re-engineered blade for higher efficiency, and it comes with a UV bonded silicone gasket for higher durability. And it also comes with a cute recipe booklet and the user manual. And there's a cute thank you card by the chef himself. It says your purchase is not just about great cooking, it's a step towards a greener India. So that's a nice thing. And so basically, with each and every Wonder Chef purchase, it contributes to planting trees and nurturing our planet. And it also comes with extra warranty if you register. They have a QR code, so if you register there, you get an extra warranty of additional 6 months. So that's again a very good thing, and you also get 20% discount on your next purchase. So you can see the user manual, it's very clear and easy to understand, and the recipe book is also nice. It's got some really nice recipes, and that's the warranty card. And I told you right about the QR code, so if you scan that, you get an additional 6 months warranty. So today we are going to make rajma masala using this Nutri blender. So my son wanted to learn this particular recipe also. It's one of his favorites, so he had soaked the rajma overnight. And you all remember the cooker that I had bought, Bergner. So he's going to use that. So it's always better to use these vessels once here, so that when he stays alone, it'll be easy for him, and he can make it with more confidence. So he has learned a lot of recipes. Like he knows now how to make paneer butter masala, aloo matar, then basic things like how to keep rice, dal, and also a few salads. Then he learned how to make pasta. So yeah, I mean it's good. And he also has learned to make tea and coffee, very important. Yeah, so now we are going to pressure cook this. I usually put a bay leaf, cardamom, and cloves whenever I boil the rajma. So, and now we are going to chop the onions and tomatoes. Only thing is, while chopping onions, he finds it difficult because he's doing it for the first time. I mean, he's new to this, right? So whenever his eyes burns, he gets a little like annoyed. But otherwise, he's fine. He loves chopping vegetables also, which is a good thing. So cooking, of course, is therapeutic when you. So we have put all the onions and tomatoes and green chilies in the Nutri blender, and you can see how easily he is able to handle it. And the best part is it's very easy to use, very easy to clean, and it is small and compact, and easily you can carry it in your suitcase, not a problem. So this Nutri blender comes in two jars. One is a little bigger one. So that is for making all the purees and smoothie and all that. And the other one is a small one, a small jar for making your chutneys and dips. So very convenient. So sauteing the onions with a little bit of jeera and ginger garlic paste. I'm so glad he is enjoying doing this. Of course, I don't know. It depends on his course and the amount of time he has. So whenever he has time, he can, cook and always store it in the fridge and reuse it. So that's the idea. So I've told him that, on weekends or whenever you get time, you prepare whatever dish you want and store it properly, and then you can use it whenever you want. So he has almost finished making the rajma. And I told you, right, this Bergner cooker, it's really good. Look at the way the rajma is boiled. I just kept it for 3 whistles and 5 minutes in simmer, and it has boiled very softly. So you can blindly go ahead and buy this cooker. So finally he has finished making the rajma. Everything is boiled and come so nicely. It looks so creamy and delicious. So successfully he has completed making his favorite dish, and he's feeling very happy. So a simple and delicious lunch, soft ghee rotis with creamy rajma masala and curd.
So friends, so that was the video all about the Nutri Blender and how my son made Rajma Masala using this Nutri Blender. So Rahul, how did you find the blender?
Actually, pretty easy to use, I have to admit. Try it out, you actually might find a lot of utility from it.
And he found it very easy to handle, and I feel it's very easy to clean, perfect for bachelors. And stay tuned for more such videos, because like I said, my son is going to be going for his higher studies, and there'll be more videos on what to pack, how to pack, and very informative stuff is coming up. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Like, share, subscribe, and see you all next time.
Bye.
See ya.